Hey, if you run a local business or you're helping clients grow theirs, you already know how powerful Google reviews are. They can literally make the difference between getting the next customer or losing them to a competitor. But here's the problem. Most business owners either don't ask for reviews at all, or they ask in a way that feels awkward, forced, or even pushy. And that's exactly what we're fixing today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask customers for Google reviews naturally, comfortably, and effectively, without damaging the relationship. And I'll also show you how a tool like Locameter can make the whole process almost effortless. First, let's talk about why people don't leave reviews. It's not because they don't like your business. Most of the time, it's simply because they forget, they're busy, or they don't know how important it is. So your job is not to push them. Your job is to guide them at the right moment. Strategy number 1. Ask at the peak satisfaction moment. Timing is everything. The best time to ask for a review is right after a successful purchase, a completed service, or when the customer says something like, "This was great." That's your window. Instead of saying, "Can you leave us a review?" try something more natural like, "Hey, I'm really glad you're happy with everything. If you have a minute later, a quick Google review would really help us out." Simple, human, no pressure. Strategy number 2, make it effortless. Here's where most businesses lose reviews. If customers have to search your business, click around, figure things out, they won't do it. You need to make it one-click easy. This is where Locameter becomes powerful. It helps you track your reviews, generate direct review links, and manage everything in one place. So instead of confusion, your customer gets a clear, quick path to leave feedback. Strategy number 3, use soft, friendly language. The tone matters more than the request itself. Avoid, "Please leave us a 5-star review," or "We need more reviews." That feels transactional. Instead, try, "Your feedback helps other people find us and lets us keep improving." Now, it's not about you, it's about helping others. That small shift makes a big difference. Strategy number 4, follow up without being annoying. Most reviews actually come from follow-ups, but here's the key. Don't spam, don't pressure. A simple message like, "Hey, just wanted to say thanks again. If you haven't had the chance yet, we'd really appreciate your feedback." That's it. With Locameter, you can automate this process so you don't forget, you stay consistent, and every customer gets a polite reminder without you chasing them manually. Strategy number 5, respond to every review. This is the secret most people ignore. When customers see that you respond to reviews, appreciate feedback, engage with people, they're more likely to leave one themselves. Locameter actually helps generate natural human-like responses, so you can reply faster, stay consistent, and build trust at scale. You don't need hundreds of reviews overnight. What you need is consistency, authenticity, and a simple system. That's how you build a strong reputation that actually converts into customers. Getting Google reviews doesn't have to feel uncomfortable. When you ask at the right moment, keep it natural, make it easy, and follow up politely, it stops feeling like a request and starts feeling like part of a great customer experience. And if you want to simplify the entire process, from tracking to responding to scaling, tools like Locameter can save you a ton of time while keeping everything professional and consistent. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical strategies like this. And I'll see you in the next one.